Welcome. Thanks for joining me in part one of my Google Classroom series. In this video, we are going to walk through the basic functions of Google Classroom. We will create a new class and learn about the features available on the class stream page. Google Classroom is not a learning management system. Google Classroom allows you to integrate other Web 2.0 tools while you are managing the workflow and feedback in your course. It does allow you to provide a score for assignments, but it does not have a built-in gradebook system. I will show you in future videos how the grading portion of Google Classroom works. Thanks for joining me and good luck as you begin to use Google Classroom. The first step is to go to classroom.google.com. On this page, you will see tiles for the classes you enrolled in or the ones you are the teacher. You will see the differences between a teacher and student by if it says how many students you have or the teacher's name. To add a class, click the plus button in the upper right-hand corner and select Create Class. Enter the name of your class and which hour you teach it. Now, you will be taken to your stream page in which you will see your class stream and a few other options. Let's first talk about the stream. On this page, you can add an announcement by clicking an announcement and typing in your message to your class. You can also, this can be used for formal or informal announcements. You can also upload files, link to Google Drive documents, add YouTube videos, and hyperlinks. When you are finished, you can select the class that you want to post in, or multiple classes if this announcement applies to all. Then you can either click Post to add it to your stream, or Save Draft to post later. You can also add assignments in Google Classroom by clicking on Assignment and adding a title and description. You can add the same items as you did in Announcement, but with Assignment, you can add a due date. This allows you to track who has completed it and who still needs to finish. For this assignment, I'm going to add an About Me template. To do this, I click on the Google Drive icon and select my template from my drive. Then I must select the option for sharing. You can either just share a view-only copy, or you can share a copy in which students can edit the same copy. This is helpful when you want all students adding content to the same document. The final option is to make a copy for each student in your class. This can be done by selecting your template, and then Google Classroom will share a copy of that to each student in your class. I might use this as a get-to-know-you activity to start out my course. You can add multiple files and resources to an assignment. When you finish, click on Assign or Save Draft. Google Classroom makes classrooms more efficient and allows teachers to have more time to focus on what matters most, their students. Thanks for joining me in part one, and good luck as you begin to use Google Classroom.